Hi all, so today's video I will tell you who are eligible for the data engineering job or cloud data engineering or big data engineering. The answer will anyone can deep dive into this data engineering field. Then you will ask question like how we can move into the data field. I will tell you if you are eligible in any particular stream like BSc or BTech or BE, anything it is enough. But thing is that we need to know the basic understanding of the programming language. Programming language means Java or Python. Python is preferable right now. Then you need to more deep dive into the SQL, and then you can move into the Python technologies or big data technologies like Hadoop, Spark, Hive, those things. If you can move into the data engineering side, and if you want to become a cloud data engineering, you can also move as an Azure data engineer or Google data engineer, Google cloud data engineer, and AWS cloud data engineer. So that you need to give or appear some kind of certification. Then once you clear the basic level certification and advanced level certification, you can directly do one end-to-end project. Then it will help you to launch your dream job with a highly paid data engineering job, right? I think hope you're clear.